Welcome back to my spice tin. Do you want to save some money and make your supermarket own brand baked beans taste amazing? Follow this simple and easy recipe to make spiced up baked beans. Let's get ready, let's get spiced up. So the ingredients for our spiced up baked beans: supermarket own brand baked beans. I've got about 1/4 of a diced onion, totally up to you if you want to use onion or not. It gives it a nice bit of texture and crunchiness. I'll use about 1/2 teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of family garam masala. Then in my spice tin, we will use some turmeric, just a little dash of that, about 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and then some coriander and cumin that's been ground. Also, when we heat up our oil, we'll put in a few mustard seeds as well. Okay, start to heat up your pan. I'll put a dash of oil in there and a sprinkle of a few mustard seeds. You want the oil to heat up and those mustard seeds to start popping before you put in your diced onion. You can hear and see those mustard seeds popping now. I'd reduce the heat slightly and get the onions in. They're going to start sizzling as well. You can hear that. Lovely. Give that a good little stir, not for too long, and make sure none of them fall out. Make sure it doesn't burn. You just want to soften them a little before you add your baked beans and your spices. Right, get the baked beans in. They're going to sizzle a lot. Give them a stir. Turn down the heat slightly. And now all your spices. About 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, little dash of turmeric, about 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, ground coriander. There we are. Let's mix that up. And that is really it. You just want to heat that through now for a good 2 to 5 minutes. Get it bubbling and heating through. Tastes amazing. I usually have it for some breakfast on some nice hot buttered toast or with a lovely omelette. Right, our beans are ready. I've buttered some lovely toast. Let's get it all over. This goes amazingly well as well with some grated cheese on top. It melts into it beautifully. Or with a lovely omelette. There we are. Saves you money, uses up your supermarket own brand baked beans and tastes amazing. Enjoy, get spiced up.